Ethereum, ETH, to $1,800, and Bitcoin, BTC, to $28,000. These are possible price targets. Today I will tell you how each crypto can explode to these price targets. So make sure to stick around if you want to know how and when. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe and turn post notifications because we talk about Ethereum and Bitcoin every day. In this video, expect some technical analysis, price news, and price predictions for each cryptocurrency coin. With that said, let's get right into it. So first off, we are going to be looking at Ethereum. As you guys know, Ethereum is sitting around the 1500, the high 1500 price range. It looks like it's going to be cooling off in the next couple of days before it makes its last push to the $1,800 price range. So if we take a look on the daily time frame, we can see it's on the top of the Bollinger Band. As you guys can see, along with the RSI is very high. It's around 68. So it is almost in the overbought, as you guys can see. But if we take a look closer to the 4-hourly time frame, it is very similar as well. Right here, we are in the top of the Bollinger Band, along with at the top, almost at the overbought position on the RSI. And if we take a look at the 1 hour, also, we are also at the top of the Bollinger Band, along with almost at the top of the overbought for the RSI. So it is it's a confirmation, strong confirmation that we are in very high levels of Ethereum prices right now. This is technical analysis. So what do we expect in the next couple of days? Well, guys, I do believe Ethereum will cool off for the next 2 days. So we should see Ethereum consolidating around the $1,500 to $1,400 price range before making its last push to the $1,800 in the next week or so. So, yes, guys, Ethereum can push to 1,800, mainly to do with the fear of missing out, because as you guys know, it was just announced in September. Ethereum will merge. As a result, people are buying in on the hype. And we still had the Fed meeting, which is not in another 7 days. So we do have less than a week before making a push to the $1,800 price levels, which is very, very possible. Once we get to the $1,800 price range, I will make another video to tell you what's next for Ethereum, ETH, and what to expect. So my price prediction for Ethereum right now is going to be around $1,400 price range, because I do believe by the end of this week, we will fail to hit 1,800. I think there is a 20% chance we hit $1,800 price range, but it is still very possible. We can't keep that out of the equation. So with that said, my price target or price prediction for Ethereum, ETH, is $1,400 by the end of this week. But that doesn't mean we can hit 1,800. It is very possible. I'm still keeping that in mind. But if that happens, I will make a video to tell you what's next for Ethereum and what to expect. But right now, do expect in the next 2 days for Ethereum to cool off, to consolidate before making a move to the up to the 1,800, or making a move down, or consolidating. There are 3 scenarios. But now that you've made it this far, we are going to be talking about the main cryptocurrency coin. You guys know it, Bitcoin. Yes, as you guys can see, Bitcoin finally broke out of this rising channel. As a result, it did go as high as $24,000. If you look right here, is this a fake out? Many of you guys are asking yourselves, is this a fake out? Are we going to hit $28,000? I will answer that right now. But before I do, we're going to be doing a technical analysis. As you guys can see, it is not in the overbought right now, so we can still push up on the daily time frame. But we are also on the top of the Bollinger Band on the daily time frame. But if we look at the 4-hourly, very similar. We are actually in the overbought along with the top of the Bollinger Band. And we look at the 1-hourly time frame, we are also on the top of the Bollinger Band along with the overbought. So it is a strong confirmation that we are in very high level prices for Bitcoin, BTC. First off, before I even talk about 28,000, is this a fake out? Well, guys, in order to confirm Bitcoin is not faking out, first we must retest this resistance of 22,000. If we retest it and we bounce up successfully, then I do believe Bitcoin will head to higher prices. And I'm talking about the next resistance, key resistance, which is $28,000, guys. This is very possible. This is possible, but not highly probable, if you understand. Because if we look right here, guys, the next resistance for Bitcoin is around the $28,000, because all this right here is nothing, and Bitcoin can easily break through this with hype, people buying in, and being the leader of cryptocurrency, it will break through if we can confirm this right here, that this is not a fake out by retesting it and bouncing up successfully. If this happens, Ethereum also will go to $1,800, because, like I said, every cryptocurrency follows Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does, other cryptocurrency coins will follow. So yes, guys, 28,000 is possible, but how probable is it? I would say it's less than 10%, probably less than 5%, to be honest, percent chance we hit 28,000 this week. But in August, I do believe it's a higher chance, probably 20% chance we hit 28,000. But before we even think about that, first we must see Bitcoin retest the 22,000, bounce up successfully, and then we can see the 28,000 soon if this happens. But with that said, that is all I have today. I talked about $28,000 price range for Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, $1,800 price range, ETH. I talked about doing a technical analysis, price news, actually I didn't do my price prediction for Bitcoin this week. I do think Bitcoin will stick around the $23,000 to $22,000 price range by the end of this week. We will see a cool down because, like I said, we must retest this resistance of 22,000 and we must bounce successfully before even thinking about 28,000. So yes, I do believe we'll be around 22 to 23,000 by the end of this week. That is my price prediction for Bitcoin. So yes, I talked about everything, so make sure to subscribe if you want daily updates on Ethereum and Bitcoin. With that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.